got attention. I wonder why I don't. Come down, sweetie. It's time for lunch. I'm not hungry, Mom. Come eat. You haven't eaten since our trip. Ugh, fine. How was your day?
Oh, it was good. It was very good. How was your day?
It was really wonderful.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Oh, Mom, hi, Mom. Look, there's peas all over my face.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, no. Oh,
Sweetie,
honey.
I need to talk to you how you feel. How do you feel? Sad. Why? Just listen to your mother and don't ask any questions. Okay, sweetheart, we're going to start noticing you, and we will care for how you feel, and you will never be left out of the family. Yes! 3 hours later. Get out, you little bug! You meanie! Stop being mean to your little sister. Me and your mom are going to talk to you, so come down. Okay! Ever since you got attention, you've been too mean to your sister, and you've been on your phone way too much. I'm really sorry. I'm just not used to so much attention because you have never given me so much attention before. Will you forgive me?
Yes. And we hope you will change from now on.
Yes, I will try to change. Thanks for listening. Hey, wait for me. You're leaving me out. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Please wait for me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Directed by Sarai, produced by Sarai, character by Sarai, voiced by Sarai. Special thank you to my mom for putting me in this camp. Thank you to the teachers who made this camp possible.